Sir Nel, ano pong masasabi niyo sa pagputol ng mga puno sa Quirino Ave?
Mali. Tingnan mo, nakuryente sila. Sa totoo lang, pwede naman talaga dahil ang puno ay naitatanim. As a forester, very dire ang impact nito. Trees and vegetation promote the quality of life. It's not just the aesthetics, it's not just the comfortable temperature that it gives its citizens, but it's really what we call ecosystem services that trees and vegetation provide, and it was not obviously taken into consideration. Around the world, livable cities are those cities with green, especially trees and vegetation that are connected, corridors of trees where you have birds and other wildlife. You cut the tree for the right reason, and in this case it was for the wrong reason.
Thank you po.